Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Stuffed crab balls are on the menu today. And so here's what you need to make it. I'll list the ingredients in the description box down below and the amounts that you need. You will need crab meat, breadcrumbs, green onions, red peppers, mayo, egg, and then you'll need Worcestershire sauce, dry mustard, a lemon, juiced, a half a lemon, garlic powder, salt, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, either one of those, flour, oil for frying, and the shrimp for stuffing. All right, y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get to it. All right, so we're going to jump right on into it now. If you have leftover crab meat like I did, I had a crab boil. I took all the crab meat out the legs and saved it. So we're going to make crab balls with this. Check this out. You're going to stuff them with shrimp. So you're going to put the crab in the bowls. We're going to do all of the ingredients that I said. So that's green onions, red peppers. All right, I'm going to list the amounts in the description box down below so you'll know how much to put in here. Very, very easy recipe. Very good and quick. It cooks so fast. Because remember, the only thing that's raw, the crab meat is cooked already. The only thing that's raw is the shrimp. All right, so if I hit that like button yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. And I do thank you for watching. I really do. All right, so we're going to put the mayo in, the egg. All right, so we're going to put everything in. Worcestershire sauce, the dry mustard, half a lemon juice, the garlic powder, the salt. Now, I said red pepper in the beginning, so I want to explain. That's either cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. Either one will do. And then you need flour because you need just a dusting of it. You don't need much, so you just need really, really a little bit and some oil for frying. All right, so I'm going to fry in a deep fryer today, but if you fry in a pan, it's really no different. You just want to make sure they're evenly golden brown all over. All right, make sure they're evenly golden brown all over. All right, so now we're going to cut the shrimp up. Now what I did, I have some rather big shrimp, so I cut those shrimp in 3 pieces. So stuff them in there instead of just stuffing one big shrimp. But if you want to make bigger crab balls and then stuff like a whole shrimp in there, cool. That'll work. All right, so we just want to get our mixture there. It should be a little stiff like that. And what you want to do is you want to take your knuckle and you want to make an indentation in it. And you're going to fit your shrimp in there. You're going to fit your 2 or 3 pieces in there, or your one big one, however you're going to do. But you're just going to make sure that you cover the entire thing with that crab mixture, and you're going to form it into a ball. All right? Look at that. Just going to form it into a nice ball. So I'm going to do about 3 of these. I'm going to do all 3 of them, and then I'll come right back with the deep fryer ready. So you're going to roll this around in a little bit of flour. Cover it in a very, very light coating of flour. Then you're going to drop it in some hot oil. All right? Watch. So I got the oil in the deep fryer pretty hot. You want to have it at about 325 or 350. All right? So you're going to drop them in there. And trust me, it's going to take a couple minutes to cook. I'm telling you. When they're golden brown on the outside, they're ready. So check that out. I'm going to take them out after about a good 5 minutes. I'm not kidding. When they're golden brown, don't let them burn. That shrimp is going to cook. All right, and this is what we get. I put a lemon on the side. You can make a dipping sauce, a remoulade sauce. You can make anything you want to make with this. It is so quick and so easy. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.